What's up, y'all? I'm back out at my lucky lot on my lunch break. Figure I'd do a little bit of a video or something. Let you guys know that the Grom's fixed. Do a little practice. Yeah, Grom's all back together. Got a new rear tire, whole new frame. My dumb ass made it take a lot longer than it should have. I broke the lower race of my steering neck bearing when I was trying to pound it out. So I had to wait for that. Then I got that in, and I had to fucking wait for a throttle cable, because when I was tightening this head bolt, steering head, whatever bolt, I pinched my throttle cable in the fucking line, or in the frame, and I had to get a new one. Whee! Yeah, I've been skipping, mostly skipping lunch to come out here and fuck around. It's kind of paying off. I'm definitely progressing in a satisfactory way that I'm pretty happy with. Kind of clicked yesterday a little bit for a little bit more of a balance point. Definitely more comfortable slinging it back there, you know. My new favorite thing though is, man, I hope my music's not too loud. My new favorite thing though is to do the dead stop and then pop it up with a foot drag and just try to walk it nice and slow. Yeah, I'm super comfortable right here. I love this. And then I started picking my foot up and trying to keep it going after I pick my foot up. And I'm happy with that because my natural reflex is to put my foot up when I pop it up like that. So I'm really enjoying that. And that was one of the scary, one of the more scary, I'd say, things to start out from sitting. Oh, hold on, gotta skip this song. But yeah, from sitting from a dead stop, and then you hang your foot off to the side, give her a little bit of a poppy pop. And then try to keep it there, pick my foot up, and then keep it there. Yeah. Yesterday I had a little bit of a click. I don't know quite what it was, but it's more of a, not as choppy. I got my throttle hand to stop doing that shit when I go back too far. Be able to just cut it a little bit if I need to, but mostly let my foot do the work. So definitely progressing. Get there, pick my foot up. Try to keep it nice and slow. That's my new favorite. And then I usually just put it down when I'm starting to lose it. That way I don't try to chase or nothing. But yeah, I had a bit of a time. Well, it was easy putting the bike back together, but had a bit of a time getting parts. And, you know, I was rushing it and being fucking impatient. And ended up causing more work for myself. But that's usually how it goes. But now I'm back out here finally with the new tire, and I think the frame, it definitely feels more what was I gonna say, it feels more controllable. I think it might have just been my rear tire being so bald and so flat that I couldn't really control it, and I lowered the PSI in this one. I don't know what it's at, just lower, and I can still turn it, but it's not like unmanageable. Let my foot drag nice and slow. I'm finally getting to that point where I don't need as much brake to keep it where I want it. I kind of just bring it up and hold it there. which makes me all giddy inside because that's exactly what I've been trying to get to. But by doing the super slow speed, it's really made me discipline my throttle and brake. But right here is super comfy. I love this. Throttle out of it. Try not to break a whole nether frame. Okay, a little backstory. A little backy story. Story time. So I was sick with COVID. I ended up getting an owed to me paycheck that I didn't previously get. And I was like, oh, I'm getting a fucking Grom, but I was sick, so I couldn't go shopping for a Grom, obviously. So I had my friend go check it out for me, and I told him, inspect this bike. You like, make sure there's nothing wrong with it, you know, do your thing. He's a technician too. He'd know what he's looking at. I mean, for the most part, he does. I didn't specifically say not to buy it if it was crap, which I feel like I shouldn't have had to state. Yeah, if you look at it like this, definitely this front stay is bent, and there was a lot of side damage over here, and it was missing its fairing and stuff like that before I got my hands on it. The story of how I bought it was the dude rolled up in the van and was trying to just hand him the title before he even looked at it, like trying to offload it real fast for some reason. He told him no, and he like wanted to look at it, looked at the bike, saw it was decently okay, picked it up. I think he got a couple $100, or maybe 800, I don't know. A little bit off of it, something like that, I don't know. But we got a bit of a discount. Paid more than I should have. I think I got it for 20, I don't even remember now. I don't know, it was like 25, dude was asking 28, something stupid like that. Long story short, I think he was riding in the desert because it was super dirty, there was chunks taken out of the tread and the tire, and the damage and stuff. So I think the dude was jumping it and causing all the frame take the stress right there when you land. It's just a little Grom, you know. You can't make these things that airborne. Like, they're strong, but I don't know. It's just thinking. He probably jumped it, and then all my wheelies and learning to practice and slamming this thing down, not super gently, because you can't really throttle out of the fucking thing. It goes down. They probably had a stress crack or a bend or something, and then it just kept going. But here's a little clip of when I fell, or I didn't fall, but here's a little clip of that happening. I was gonna post it, but I thought it'd be better just to throw it in this video, like a little more coherent. So yeah, this is what happened. No fucking way. Well, god fucking damn it. My fucking frame broke. So yeah, that's what happened, and my friend came and picked me up. Getting better. I'm so excited. So I think next step is to get my handbrake set up and try to get used to using my finger as a brake, because I've had handbrakes, but I've never been comfortable using it. I wish I had a friend though out here. Got any riding buddies? Well, I mean, I am on my lunch. What you want, security? Want some of this? Huh? I don't think so. Hope you guys can't hear this music too bad. But yeah, I've just been doing this over and over and over, and the repetitiveness definitely helps, man. Look look at it just creeping. Little creepy baby creep. Oh, we're almost standing still. Oh, see, this definitely needs a foot, because like I would fall the fuck off. I couldn't. That was a good one. So yeah, sorry for that little bit of gap in between videos. I know the channel's slowly coming back. I just want to say thanks to all the hardcore fans that they're still hanging with me and checking out the new stuff coming out. Hope you guys are enjoying it. But yeah, my goal by the end of the year was supposed to be learn circle wheelies on here, but that I don't see that happening, honestly. A sit-down circle would be cool. I haven't quite learned, I think you just got to bring it back farther. See, I'm like sitting way forward. I don't know, I haven't figured out circles yet. That's a little ways away. We'll get there. We'll get there. Usually I don't vlog while I'm practicing because I feel like it's kind of boring. It's kind of just, you see the same thing, I don't know, over and over. And a lot of videos aren't really cool unless you're doing something super amazing or you know, the other thing that I don't want to say out here. I need a lot buddy. Who in my area is as dedicated to Groms as me, goddammit? Someone's got to be out there. One of you good old boys want to come be my friend? I need a friend to do wheelies with me. Whee! I don't want this video to be too long though, because it'll definitely get boring for you guys. Man, I should have done this on my old Grom years ago. Probably be in circles right now. And then try to learn that shit. No one ever looks at me when I'm doing cool shit. Good enough. Thanks for joining in on this brief little vlog episode. Nice update vlog or whatever. All right. Later, pack.